Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically you were going through your phone, you were going maybe through the Play Store or App Store depending on your operating system, and you saw that Garmin Connect app. So you don't have an account yet, you cannot log in if you don't exist. So here's actually how to sign up for Garmin Connect in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way to your Wi-Fi settings. And for sure, you should check that you are fully connected to the internet again. As for now, we're gonna go all the way and tap on the icon. As you see here, there is the page. They're gonna show you this Garmin Connect, this models as well. All you're gonna do now is tap on create account right there on the button. First, you should basically just enter your email address, the usual stuff. Use one you actually check, since this is where verification links go. Second, you should pick a password. Make it strong, but of course you should note it down somewhere offline, or maybe basically put it on your desktop, for example. As for third, your stats, height, weight per day, this is optional. As Garmin needs this to calculate your calories, stress score, and VO2 max. As for any desktop alternative, we can go basically if we are on a computer to connect.garmin.com. Then from there you can just tap on sign up in the top right corner. Same exact form, just bigger buttons. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.